Welcome to Wainsfort House, luxury short-term accommodation in Blacklion, County Cavan. Located just 2 hours from Dublin, 90 minutes from Belfast, welcome to the beautiful Northwest. The Northwest of Ireland is the hidden gem, undiscovered, wild and stunningly beautiful. Blacklion is superbly located to offer a wide range of varying experiences in the wider area, but you won't even have to leave the area when you see what's on offer. Explore the Marble Arch Caves, stalactites, stalagmites, and a caving experience that you won't forget, all within a short drive of Blacklion and Wainsfort House. Enjoy the beautiful scenery and landscape at the Cavan Burren geopark. Walks for all abilities and all ages. This is a must-see attraction in beautiful West Cavan. And the best part of it all, it's right on your doorstep at Wainsfort House. Quilca Boardwalk, also known as the Stairway to Heaven, is a local hiking attraction that has earned rave reviews over the past number of years. Spectacular views across a number of counties, it's a must-do experience. And it's just a short drive from Wainsfort House. And there's fun for all the family at Corley Activity Centre. Water trampolines and water park, canoeing, archery, climbing, orienteering, mountain biking. You won't be left for something to do at Corley. The beaches and surfing of South Donegal are just 35 minutes from Wainsfort House, well worth the visit for a day out. And the jewel on the crown is of course Neven Maguire MacNean House and Restaurant. World renowned for its food, this dining experience is a must-do activity. Why not check out all the excellent golf courses located close to Blacklion, including our own 9-hole golf course located just outside the village, or go championship golf at Lochern Resort or the Sleeve Russell Hotel. You can also play links golf in Donegal Golf Club, 45 minutes from Blacklion. That's not all. Enniskillen Castle, the stunning Glencar waterfall, the Ulster American Folk Park are all within 1 hour of Blacklion. We look forward to welcoming you to Wainsfort House for your perfect getaway.